Welcome to the in front of me XIAOMI Redmi Note 8 2021, and I'll show you how to change home screen transition on this device. So first, as can you see, we got the default home screen animation, and now just to change that you should slide with your two finger at the same time to the center and just tap here on the settings icon. Here you'll see the first section, the transition effect, and now as can you see here, we got all the available home screen animations, and you can select one from these transitions. For example, I'll go with the rotate one, and now just to change the transition, tap here to OK, again to OK, and as can you see, we just successfully changed our home screen transition. And if you wanna go back to the default one, to the slide, just tap here, tap to done, OK, again. And as can you see, that's really simple. So that's how it looks. And if you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.